Hey guys, I'm Eddie B. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, But anyway, guys, working on putting my Volvo back together. I had stapled the new cover back on. That's the way it looks like. Put the clips on. Time to go clip it back on in there and be ready to go. Alright guys, so got the panels installed. I lost the ashtray for that one, but there's an ashtray over here. So the back is completely done except that I have to take out. That got cut out, and I have to put, leather over it and then screw it back in. Now, I'm not sure, guys, if I mentioned, but I was able to reuse the old side panels on top of my new speakers that I installed. So, one door done, one more to go, guys. Well, guys, I just finished door number 2, and it works perfectly. Well, guys, I forgot to add the handlebar, but yeah, all done and ready to go. That's it for now. So guys, it has been a long day to do all that, but at least I got all the panels out. I just gotta find my ashtray for that, but I'm gonna show you what needs to be done next. I need to go to parts store to buy two fuse setups for my switches I'm gonna run. So basically, I still gotta put the J things back here that I spray painted, which I'm leaving them to dry. Then, once I hook up the radio, which I need to switch to, I'm gonna probably drill it right here, switch for the radio, and this will be switched for the RPM gauge. I'm planning to put the RPM gauge somewhere here if possible. And this right here, guys, I need to screw in. They fit right perfectly with my, not exactly ideal, but they fit. So I gotta screw them back in as soon as I find out, as soon as I connect the radio, and it'll power up and make sure all the speakers work. And back there, I gotta take that piece of wood out. I think I'm gonna only need 2 screws, honestly, for it, but I need to take 2 pieces of wood out and put the leather around it. So put nice door panels back in. The car is almost ready to go. Still got a while to go, guys, but down here in the trunk, I need a excuse me, still put the license plate light back on and put the trunk mat back in. Also, what needs to be done is I need to tint all of these windows, and yeah, basically I gotta tint them. And I gotta tint this racing visor black. I mean, I like blue, but I don't know, we'll see. So, quite a bit of work to do. And I gotta paint the wheels black yet, too. Got white wall tires. Oops, sorry. Got white wall tires that I still need to install, too. Got not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. Driving attempt on the 6 Series.